Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to save photos from Pinterest into your gallery. Now it's quite simple actually. First of all, let's just make sure we have the Pinterest app already downloaded. Now the interface is almost the same in Pinterest mobile app and the web browser. You can just use either one of them, and I think the process should be essentially similar. In this case, we'll be using our Pinterest app. So I already had this picture open. Let's just go back. Let's choose some other image. Let's suppose this photo of Bart Simpson. Now let's just go back for a bit. Let's just go back for a bit, and if you long tap this photo, you're gonna see three options here. Now the first one is actually, it says save, as you can see on the right side of the screen. The next one says hide, and this one says send. The first one would actually save this image into your profile. Like, these are the kind of photos on Pinterest you like, and you can just save them in your profile so then you can see them later. The next option is the hide option. That would basically mean that if you do not like these kind of photos, you can just hide them so that your Explorer does not get such kind of photos again. And the next one is send. Now this option, usually when we use this option on iPhone, we see that there would be a save to gallery option, or some option that just lets you save it into files, and thereon you can save it. So we do not see that option here, so no need to panic. Just tap this photo, and on the top right you see those three dots, and we're gonna press that, and thereon it says download image, the second option here. So press on that, and look, it says image downloaded. Now you can actually send it share it from right here to other platforms if you'd like, but in our case we're just gonna go to our gallery real quick, and there's our photo, our sad little Bart Simpson. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.